Hello, this is a quick guide on how to format flash drive on macOS. Start by pressing Command Spacebar and type in disk. This will allow you to open Disk Utility app. In the Disk Utility app, you can find external flash drives. Click on the flash drive you wish to format. In our case, it is Genevo. Then, click on Erase in the top bar. You can name the flash drive anything you want. We're going to use Genevo. You choose Format FAT32, which is going to be also named ms-dos. Click Erase and you will delete every single data that are on the flash drive. It will take a little while, and once the process is done, you will be able to click on Done, which is going to be in blue. Okay, the process done. And now you can use the flash drive to update your Genevo Pro or Genevo Max.